off of your hands. You gotta be on the back. Cheater. No, he was trying. He told him to do it. You cheater.
Oh, okay.
Right, no cheating.
They didn't give any rules, so.
No.
Also make you run left. Oh, come on.
Get your hand out. Get set.
One hand behind your back. Can you go like this?
Yeah, put your other hand behind your back. Get set. Go.
No, you got it. You got it.
When did he get here?
Well, it didn't break though.
Come on, my kid's winning. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
All right, go a little faster. Yeah. Well. Didn't break. Pick it up. Go back.
Ow, the tape didn't work?
All right, good. Now, guys, everybody pay attention. Keep going. A little faster. No.
Hey, come on, get behind the line.
Go.
Go hold it.
There we go. Let's start a little quicker. Let's go. Pay attention. All right, hurry up. Oh, good. They got hard-shelled eggs here.
Nobody's got the courage to run with it.
Yeah, run with it.
Make up ground. You better run. You better make up ground.
Go ahead, Johnny, run. There you go. There you go. Seeds get us in the lead here. All right, go. Come on, go. Winner. We won. No, we won.
Everybody won.
I got it on video. So.
Everybody won.
What do?
Everybody win.
Replay.
Check the tape.
We'll check it on YouTube. Whoa.
I am going to check the tape.
All right.
We won.
Okay, I'm gonna cheater! Dude, why didn't you take her?
Well, I was gonna try and catch it. I decided not to. No. I mean catch it. Go ahead. Whoa! Oh no! Wrong person. I don't know if you're aiming for that, but.
That was my spinner.
Well, let him throw him to the coaches. You guys can.
Share it and talk. Get your butts over here.